The governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, has assured the Imolites and Nigerians at large that the government of Imo State, led by him, will build houses for Muslims. Senator Hope Uzodinma assured Muslims in Imo State that they should not have fear in them, that his government will support them. While interviewed by the press, Senator Hope Uzodinma said that his government is for both Christians and Muslims, that is not religiously centered, that he will support the Muslims by building or constructing houses and religious centers for them, that Imo State remains a peaceful state that will accommodate everyone, both Christians and Muslims, that no set of people or religion is exempted from his government. His government will ensure equality before the law, as no man's rights in Imo State will be infringed by anyone, that it's a government for all, where people can express their views. That is his government. That his government will maintain peaceful coexistence between the Christians and the Muslims. That is a good one from him, because I believe that whatever he wants to do, or what he has said he wants to do, to him he believes is good, and that's why I said that is a good one, and kudos to him. But one thing is that the problem that these people usually create, because I have never heard it in history that Imo State, is a state where Christians and Muslims are, having rivalries of any sort. But now, for you to come and be saying such a thing, because I've never heard of such thing in that state. Now, for you to be bringing this to the forefront, meaning you are trying to create what has not been existing. You are trying to create what is not. The problem I believe that Imo people have there is this issue of Esme. It's not addressing it. They are not addressing it. Most governors are not addressing it. Apart from the ones that are coming up with a regional security outfit. The problem that Imo State and the Imolites are having now is the problem of Esme. And he's not addressing that. I don't know whether that was what he said in his campaign, he made in his campaign promises, or that was his campaign promises he made while he was campaigning before the election. I don't know that if that was what he said, and I'm sure a lot of people might not even want to listen to him because they never even wanted him in the first place. But now that he has found himself there, we have been encouraging him, advising him, do what the people want. They know the problem on ground. They will leave the problem on ground and begin to look for something else. They want to tell people, or to want to tell the masses what the masses want. No, you have to do the things that the masses themselves want, what they really want, what they desire, not you. No, you can't know their problem more than them. You need to listen to them. And like I said, the problem I believe Imo people are having is this issue of Esme and all other things. But the important one that is on top of the list is this issue of security. What are you guys doing about it? Now you are bringing religion again into governance. You are trying to create problem where there is none. Talking about he wants to build houses for this thing. Like he said, that he's assuring Imolites and Nigerians at large that the government of Imo State, concentrate on your state, leave Nigerians for the now. Concentrate on your people. Is that what Imo people told you about? The Muslim in that state, have they been having problem? Did they tell you they are having problem that you want to build houses for them? And those are this is the kind of statement the president even made initially when he was talking about 95 or 97 to 5%. What is going to do? Now this man is bringing this issue of religion. Last time, we talked about how he installed an emir in Imo State. The people are still talking about that one. Now you are coming categorically. It's the one that really wants to make the issue of religion to be dominant now in this state, in Imo State, because I have never heard of such before. Maybe if you have heard, or maybe Muslims have been having problem, there has been a religious crisis before now. Maybe you can tell us whether you have been experiencing religious crisis in Imo State, because we've never heard of such. Now that you are coming out categorically, whether some people complain to you, I don't know. You are telling the Imo lights. Did they complain? Was that what they were complaining when Okorocha was there? It's very, very unfortunate that these people will be bringing problem where there is none. No, concentrate on governance. Stop separating whether Muslim or whatever. Do what you need to do. That is why people always suspect them, whether they have ulterior motive or they have agenda. Concentrate on the people. Forget religion. They are the ones causing all this problem. Face governance. You are talking of Muslim. What is Muslim? What is Christian? In the first place, do what you are supposed to do. They have I'm sure they have committee, or they have a law on how to build houses for people. Do that. Anyone who is qualified, anyone who needs it, will go straight to that, instead of saying Muslims or whatever. What has that got to do? We have the same blood running in our vein. That is when they will create problem where there is none. Why is specifying it? Why trying to distinguish Muslims, and who are the people who are afraid? Who is afraid? We all go to the same market. We all go to the same. Do the needful. It's unfortunate that this kind of statement is coming from this man. And if people start talking, it will be as if they don't know what they are saying. They will tell you will think that they are just trying to preempt, or they are trying to insinuate where there is nothing. But when this kind of statement is coming from a leader, what do you expect people to say? They will say, oh, we talked on before now. We said it before now. Didn't we say it? So these people are the ones causing problem, even for everybody in this country. Before you know it, everybody wants to go in the area of a religion. Oh, I'm this, I'm this, I'm this, and that. Oh, it's because of this, because of this, because I'm not this. These are the people who created this problem, and they don't even want to change. They don't want to change from all this kind of a thing. Someone said, Sweden is regressing now. You are not serious, governor. You need to be sacked. The Igbo nation should put this Uzodima out of Imo State house. He is a wuruwuru man. Oh. Imo State is doomed if this man is allowed to remain the Supreme Court governor in Imo State. Likewise, for the new emir of Mbese, that is going to build house. Build house, we are talking about Muslims. Like I said, the problem that the people are facing now is the issue of esme. Those who are, those farmers, those who have been crying day and night about this esme. You are not saying anything. In other states too, the same thing. Most of them are not saying anything. Some of them are even fighting themselves. But their lives have been taken day in, day out. Yet they are not saying anything. But they are fighting for themselves. And they will still come out and tell you that they are doing all of those things because of the masses. This governor, do the needful, do the right thing. Stop creating problem where there is none, unless maybe you have agenda, just like the way people have been insinuating, or they've been accusing you. If you know that you don't have agenda, why making such statements? Such statements will aggravate a lot of things. Like I said, I've never heard of such of any clash or any dispute between the Christians and Muslims in this country. Even the so-called, where Muslims are even dominant, we still have Christians. Even in states where Christians are dominant, we still have Muslims. So why bringing it? Of course, it's normal. If you build hospital, everybody will go there. Everybody will go there. But this idea of you trying to separate people, trying to segregate people, disguising as if you are trying to make peace, there's no problem. The only problem in this country, even as a whole, is this issue of esme that they're not even talking about. They will not come out boldly to say anything about it. They believe that everything is fine. The case that happened in Anambra recently, of this Mieti Allah or Fulani S-men people, their leader, working out on the stakeholders, on their host communities, telling them to do their worst. I'm sure they will tell us that they never heard of such thing. That is the problem that is ravaging everywhere. Do the right thing. Do the right thing, because all this just trying to move around the circles is not going to help anybody. It's not going to help them. It's not going to help any of them. She need to do the needful so that there will be development. Not this kind of development. They will just be talking about development, and at the end of the day, 8 years down the line, nothing has changed. I don't know the state we can even pinpoint in this country that we can say, oh, this state is, world-class standard in Nigeria. World-class standard in Nigeria. Since how many years? And if you check the amount of money they've been budgeting year in, year out. Yet, we cannot even pick any meaningful thing. We can't see any meaningful thing. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that these leaders have really bastardized this country with their utterances, with their statements. See what happened in Bayelsa. We'll continue to say that. See the money they've wasted. They've not even entered government. See how much they have wasted. Now they are all crying. They are exposing themselves. It's unfortunate. So The governor should do the right thing. Stop bringing religion into your government. Stop bringing it, because it will not help you at the end of the day. You know that the people are just trying to patch you. People are just trying to learn you. Then you should not just try and make it look as if, oh, you are now there. You can do whatever you want to do. This is the time for you to make the people happy. But by the time you start bringing, this kind of statement, the people will not like it. And that is just the way it is. You need to be careful and do the right thing so that these people will like you. Do the things that will make them to like you. All these statements will not help you in the long run. So guys, let us hear your opinion. Leave your comments below in the comment section.